Hey everyone, welcome back, and today I wanted to update you on some projects that I just finished up. Unfortunately, I'll have to go back into this console because the LCD just went out on me. I just bought this brand new for the customer, and it appears to have some kind of line going across, which is unfortunate. So I'll have to figure that out. It's gonna be more noticeable. Let's see if I can change it. It's very hard to see, but I can see it. So we're gonna have to swap that out to another LCD. Luckily I bought multiples because I knew this was gonna happen. You can see it there. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up on that, but this one, I did a full swap on this PSP 3000, and the old one had a lot of the paint chipping off and a ton of scratches. So this one came out really nice. Very happy about the condition on this housing and fit very well. Not only that, I added the popular LED trigger mods on this, and it looks great. Let's see if we can pick that up on the camera a little bit so you guys can see. It's really good. Now, the odd thing I find about the PSP 3000 is that it doesn't stay on. It's literally sound activated. For example, like the PSP 1000, this one stays on permanently. These are the blue LEDs. This is also another housing swap that I did. And the previous one was pretty bad. There was quite a few deep scratches on the top and on the back. And this one has the blue LEDs. Let's see if you guys can see how that works. There we go. It's pretty solid. I love that color. Looks good. The customer will be very happy about that. And finally, we did the PS Vita 1000. So this one, we did the complete battery change along with the LED triggers. Now this one is a little bit more difficult to see because of the way that these triggers are. They're kind of smoked out, or they're black and not clear. So they're a little bit more dim than you can see there. But still works, looks good. I'm very satisfied with that one, and that's a beautiful console. And this one's a special model, because it's the 3G, the 1100 PS Vita model, and they can change that module, the 3G module, into the PSV SD module. So yeah, that is what I got going on, and this LCD, again, I'll have to dive back into. And finally, moving on to my Nintendo Switch, and I finally jailbroke this version 1 Switch, and it was pretty simple and easy to do. And I went with the SYS custom firmware. I installed the latest atmosphere, and I also installed Android, which I'll show you guys here in just a minute. But I'd like to just go ahead and start the system custom firmware here. And it's working pretty solid for the most part, except for having some of the apps that are not working very well. They crash, which is Tinfoil. It's one of those apps that I like to get installed and get it working, but for some reason it's not. I don't know why. It's just it keeps crashing on me. So let's open up the homebrew side. There we go. And here are just some of the apps that I have installed. Haven't really dived too deep onto this end of the Switch. But I did play some games on RetroArch and also on the PSSPP, which is the PSP emulator. And just having this alone, I'm pretty happy with that. So I can play my my PSP games. And this emulator is by far one of the best ones out there. And I'll show you guys my games here. Some of the games that I've installed. I don't have a large memory card on this one. It's just 256. I'm planning on to having like the ultimate Switch, which is the OLED model, having the 1 terabyte memory. But yeah, last thing I'd like to talk about is changing out the thermal paste on here, because ever since I started using it, this thing was overheating. So I went ahead and took it apart and I applied new thermal paste. And what a great way to get into the sponsor of this video, which is Tom Love, this amazing microscope that I just got from these guys. And here we go. If you're into tech repair, soldering, or just need a closer look at small parts, the Tom Love DM9 Max microscope is the tool you've been waiting for. Whether you're working on gaming consoles, phones, or other electronics, this microscope provides the magnification and clarity you need to get the job done right. With its 8 megapixel camera, you'll see every detail clearly in full 1080p HD, and its 7-inch screen offers a large, easy-to-view display. The 10 to 1200 magnification range ensures you can zoom in on even the tiniest components, while the adjustable LED lighting gives you perfect illumination in any work environment. The Tom Love DM9 Max is compatible with Windows and Mac OS, so you can easily connect it to your computer for even more flexibility, whether you're saving images or videos of your work. Plus, it's super easy to set up, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced technicians. Need more? The included adjustable stand ensures stability, giving you a hands-free view of your projects. No more holding your parts in awkward positions. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, so you can take it anywhere your projects go. If you're looking for a microscope that delivers professional-grade quality without breaking the bank, the Tom Love DM9 Max is the one you need. Grab yours now on Amazon. The link is in the description. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in any mods, shell swaps, repairs, jailbreaks, whatever, just let me know. Check out my website down in the comment section below, pinned, and also in the description. It's roblesjr.com, and I offer a ton of services when it comes to repairs on consoles and deep cleaning and all sorts of fun stuff. So make sure to check it out and take care, everyone. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.